Hello. What's up? Hi. So good to see you after so long. Hello. Hi. Hello. I know you saw me shopping today, and this is one of the outfits I picked up, and I love it. How are you doing? Hi, hello from Bangalore. Oh my god, 10.2 thousand people. So last time when I came live, I gained about 10,000 followers immediately on the same day. So that's a great idea, maybe to come live. Huh? Don't you think? How do I know? कैसे लग रही हूँ? Hi. Thank you so much. Love you too, guys. I don't like doing these things. No, I shouldn't be doing it. Hello. What about my house hunt? Well, it's going on, and just because I posted 1 or 2 stories, I'm getting so many agents contacting me. God, such a small world. It's insane. Yes, so another house and a sea view. And I'm not moving out, but I want to own one beautiful house. I mean, it's a good investment, isn't it? Huh? Hi. Hello. I love this time of the day. It's so beautiful, huh? Beautiful sunlight on their face. So lovely. Yes, it is. Thanks, you guys. That is such a sweet compliment. Hi. You know, one strange thing that I found about my experience in hunting houses is that even if you have a decent budget to purchase a 2 BHK or 3 BHK house in Bombay on the main road in best of the areas, one thing that I find very strange is that the buildings and the builders, that they have beautiful looking buildings. They're quite aspirational, to be honest. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि यार कितनी खूबसूरत सी बिल्डिंग है from the outside when you look at it, but when you go inside you realize it is just another apartment which is trying to keep you in a very small space. So they say carpet area is say 1,000 and above, 1,200 and above. The cost is about say 50-55 my god per square feet. Okay, oh god. But then when you enter the house, it looks yet another apartment. I mean, what I'm trying to say here is the external beauty of the building should match the classiness, the status, the stature of the inside also. So that's one thing. And some of the apartments, they're beautiful looking, great view from the balcony, but then the cost is higher and they are giving you just empty, unmade house which was quite strange. There are some apartments wherein you can design the entire house as per your liking, which is great. But then that would take another 1 or 2 years to finish it, to get the designing done. Oof. Too much work, isn't it? Yes, I'm a big CSK fan. I'm a Dhoni fan. And yes, that was a strange match now. Kitna funny match tha. Matlab at one point I was so stressed I stopped watching the match because I thought we are going to lose. लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों I told my dad, पता है, मैंने कहा पापा देखना एंड में ना कोई मिरेकल सा होगा. There will be one player who will come and play miraculously and then they'll just make us win. And that's exactly what happened. It was a great win, है ना? Happy to see you too, sweetheart. Thank you. Chalo, bye. I just thought I'll come say hi to you. Bye, sweetheart. Bye. Oh yes, my birthday, right? Damn. What are your feelings about your birthdays? I think over a period of time, it's just a no big deal for me. It's like yet another day because I think life is any which ways like a celebration. I travel so much. I have a fancy life in a way, like so much of love, so much of gifts, so much of desires that gets fulfilled just like that. So I don't feel to have a special day on my birthday, but then if it is there, then yeah, so be it. And the only thing that I desire the most is being with my parents, like, you know, उनके साथ होना चाहिए, family के साथ होना चाहिए. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's how I think I'm gonna. Yes. Yes. So trial room वाली story में ये वाला outfit था, and I wanted this outfit for a very long time. They did not have my size, but then somehow, which is why I say one thing in life, you know, Hamesha keep trying for what you want because you will get it. Depends on your conviction, what is that you want. And I applied on the smallest of the things. So I wanted this outfit and they said it is not available in any city, in any store for, I don't know why, whatever reasons. But I said, you know what, just try one more time and see if you can find one outfit. And I was just about to leave the store unhappy. And then they found it for me. So I'm so happy to find it. Thank you, yes channel. Why are you tagging Drake in it? Why are you tagging Drake in my live session? Tell me that first. Thank you. Just because we follow each other, is that so? You're cute. You're very cute. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Bye. You take care.